Welcome to Honest Auto Reviews, where today we're taking you inside a jaw-dropping masterpiece of automotive luxury, the Bugatti-Inspired Motorhome with a secret-level double-story design. Imagine the speed, elegance, and prestige of a Bugatti merged seamlessly with the comfort and opulence of a luxury residence on wheels. This isn't just a motorhome. It's an engineering statement that blends high-performance aesthetics with mind-blowing innovation. If you thought luxury motorhomes had reached their peak, you're about to see one that takes the concept to an entirely new level from the moment you lay eyes on it. The exterior demands attention. The sleek aerodynamic curves are reminiscent of a Bugatti hypercar, complete with a sculpted front fascia that borrows design cues from the iconic horseshoe grille. The bodywork gleams in a two-tone metallic finish, mirroring Bugatti's legendary paint schemes, while every line and contour speaks of precision craftsmanship. This is not a motorhome that blends in at a campground. It's the kind of vehicle that stops traffic wherever it goes. But the real magic isn't just on the surface. It's hidden inside. Step inside, and you're greeted with an interior worthy of a supercar-inspired palace. Premium Italian leather wraps every seat, the stitching echoing Bugatti's attention to detail, and the dashboard incorporates both cutting-edge tech and artistic finesse. Large panoramic windows flood the space with natural light, while the ambient LED lighting can be customized to create any mood you desire. The lower level boasts a spacious lounge with plush seating, a state-of-the-art entertainment center, and a kitchen that would make a five-star chef jealous, complete with induction cooking, smart storage, and top-grade appliances. Every surface, from the marble countertops to the brushed aluminum fixtures, whispers pure luxury. Then comes the secret, a hidden staircase that leads to the motorhome's private upper level. This double-story design is where the Bugatti influence truly meets ingenious space innovation. The upper deck is not visible from the outside, preserving the sleek silhouette while granting you an exclusive retreat above the main floor. Here, you'll find an opulent master suite with a king-size bed, a private lounge area, and even a balcony-style viewing space that lets you enjoy breathtaking views from an elevated perspective. Imagine waking up in the morning and stepping out to sip coffee while parked at a coastal cliff, desert vista, or mountain range. The kind of experience that makes this motorhome worth every penny. Underneath the luxury lies a serious performance machine. This motorhome doesn't just look like it was inspired by Bugatti. It's powered by a high-output engine tuned for smooth yet commanding power delivery. Advanced suspension ensures a ride so stable you'll forget you're driving a multi-ton residence. And the braking system is engineered for absolute safety even at highway speeds. Every component, from the tires to the transmission, is chosen to balance performance, comfort, and durability. It's a touring experience that's as thrilling behind the wheel as it is relaxing in the living quarters. But beyond the materials, tech, and performance, what truly sets this Bugatti-inspired motorhome apart is the statement it makes. It's a celebration of ambition, a fusion of speed and sophistication, and a way to travel that turns the journey into the ultimate destination. Whether you're pulling into Monaco, cruising the California coast, or setting up in a secluded alpine valley, this motorhome ensures you arrive not just in comfort, but in style that no one will forget. This is more than just transportation. It's the perfect blend of art, engineering, and lifestyle, a moving testament to what's possible when innovation knows no bounds. And for those who demand the absolute best in every aspect of life, from the clothes they wear to the places they explore, this Bugatti-inspired double-story motorhome is the pinnacle that you've just seen a rare glimpse into the future of luxury travel. And here at Honest Auto Reviews, we bring you the most extraordinary vehicles in the world. If you enjoyed exploring this secret-level motorhome with us, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another journey into the world's most incredible rides.